Hello, welcome to my IA demonstration of the School Attendance Management software. So to open, it's a splash screen. And then the login box is the first thing that shows up. So if you enter the incorrect username and password and click login, it doesn't work. So I'm going to enter one that does work. And then you get shown the main form. So the way it's laid out is on the left, you've got your tree view for the navigation. So you double click the node to open it. Above it, you have a back and forward navigation. The logged in user account shows up here with a global search button to search through the database, window for multitasking and tab switching, help, refresh, and close. So, first thing I'm going to do is go on to students. So you double click and then you can search and then choose how they're sorted. So I'm going to go to Rihanna, double click, and then here it is. Also on this page, you can show it as like different ones, like if you want. Anyways, tab switch up to students. So here's Rihanna's information. So you have a timetable here, and a bunch of more other tabs at the bottom. So her attendance information is kind of empty at the moment, with some present marks here. When you hover over it, it shows you what class they're in, and then go to the report here, and then this is a graph of her attendance, and you can configure the options like this if you want. So here's a photo. You can get rid of the photo with the X button and import a new one like this if you want, and then you can export the information with this button here. Comes up with a new window. Pick where you want the report to go to, open upon completion, and then click export. And then here's the information with her classes, general info, a photo, attendance info, which is a lot, and then a key to the attendance codes with a footer at the bottom. So, and then to Control W to close. So we're going to go to teachers now. So you expand it as well, and it has all of them here. I'm just going to go to the main one with a very weird fake name, but whatever. So this is a key feature of this page. This was included because there might be a car park at the school where they want to like have good spaces. So I'm just going to enter a number and then click the button to get it from the DVSA API. And then it's loaded in the data like this and auto-filled it for me. So again, there's a timetable here, and then the groups that they're in charge of, and the students in these groups, and how they're supervised and linked to the teacher. Again, with the photo, and a title drop-down box, and you can insert your own one if you want. And yeah, and then to save, you click that, but I'm not going to save it. I mean, I could, yeah. Okay. And then next thing on the success criteria is, adding and deleting students. So go back to students, and then click new. Fill in the form here, new student, example name, pick the date of birth with a state picker, and then pick this. I'm just going to leave it as other because I can't be bothered. Click OK, and then you get given the new student's information. I don't know why my cursor is doing that. Please excuse it. Okay, change registration group, so you can search star and then put them in one. So year 13B in year 13, and then when you click save, the timetable will be updated to put them in the year 13 reg group for the AM and PM registration sessions. Their attendance is all Zs because they have only joined today, which is the 13th. So the next day that they'll be in school is here. So we can delete them again. So actually, we're going to go to the register and then pick the day. So today is a Saturday, so there's no registers. So we're going to change it to yesterday's one, Friday, and click load. This is a whole school. So the new student that we just made we can't edit them, but the rest of them we can. So you just use a keyboard. Here are the attendance codes that you can use. And then you can show the information if you want in a little box at the side, and then color code like this. Here's the key. So you just type it in, and it'll move down automatically. And then that's it for the register, I guess. And then click save. You can also put in comments if you want, late, because stuff. I don't know, just anything really. Doesn't matter for the example. And then click save. And then when you go here and go to comments, it has a comment here, which you can see later. So we're going to delete that new student now. Go back to people, students, search for the new one, and then click delete. It's going to ask for confirmation, say yes, I don't want to export it, and then delete it. Now when I search, they don't show up. And if I go back to the register and I reload it, they've disappeared. So the next thing is the registration that, the user types. So currently, I'm logged in with all the allowed types. So you go back here, go to System Management, Expand Users. This is my account with all of them. Also, I have the login attempt history of my account and this in a graphical format. You can reset the password and link them to a teacher account like I have done here. So administrator account is just an administrator. So if I close the app and reopen it and log in as an administrator, you still have the general layout, change to administrator, but the other ones are not enabled. So all I have is the school, which is not editable because I'm just an administrator, not a school manager. And then I can go here, but then I have all the system management stuff, like so. And then, yeah, that's about it for the app demonstration. Thank you very much.